Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, for today's episode, I'm going to share to you up and coming Louis Vuitton bags. Guys, you know our practice here. I will be putting everything on the description box, also on the screen. So prices, SKUs, launch dates, and features, everything would be included as long as they're available. If you want anything here, kindly take a screenshot. And of course, check with your CAs for pre-orders and availability. I'm inviting everyone to watch until the end of our episode. Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about lates about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account, that's at Damier52, for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Happy Louis Vuitton Day, guys! I'm very happy to share Pharrell's second Louis Vuitton collection, pre-fall 2024, that they have showed in Hong Kong. I will be sharing bags and SLGs from this collection. Prices, features, SKUs, and launch dates are all included. Kindly take a screenshot, and for your reference, kindly check with your CAs for pre-orders and availability. Happy shopping, guys! Alright, so guys, the pre-fall 2024 collection would be launching. It has two drops. First, we have April 25th, 2024, and we have mini collections just like this Damier Denim 3D collection. First, we have the Speedy 40. Price is $2,950. So once I have more photos, I'll be sharing on our community wall. Next bag, we have Speedy 25. Price is €2,600. The name of this collection is the Damier Denim 3D collection. As we are going to see here close up, it is made of the very famous denim material for 2024, but it comes in the Damier pattern with vachetta leather trims. Next, we have the weekend tote bag. Price is $3,050 USD. We have SKU here. Very beautiful tote bag, perfect for every day, for work, even for travel. It would come with the denim material that with the May print, and it would come with vachetta leather trims with bag tag as well. Next, we have KEEPALL size 50. Price is €3,100. So this is the same material for the Damier Denim 3D collection. I'm not really sure why they're calling it 3D, but I'm guessing, like, if for example you're going to touch the Damier print, it is very textural and you could appreciate the pattern of this one. Then we have the Moncerise Messenger size MM. Price is €2,800. I am loving the MM size of this Moncerise Messenger bag, as you can see here. Very cute size, and definitely, since this is a good size messenger bag, we could carry all the essentials that we need on a daily basis. Then we have the Nano Steamer. Price is €2,350. We have SKU here, close up. So the classic steamer bag, but size is nano. It would come with the denim material in the Damier print. It would come with like a brass collar hardware as well. Next collection for the pre-fall 2024, it is entitled Damier Scuba collection. First, we have the Christopher MM. Price is €4,150. Launching April 25th, 2024. So material is leather in the Damier pattern with black leather trim. So I'm not just really sure why they are calling it Scuba. Then we have the soft trunk size mini. Price is €3,300. We have SKU here. Material is leather with the Damier pattern. I love the Louis Vuitton writing. And this one would come, of course, with the matte black hardware. And the shoulder strap is fully detachable. Next, on this pre-fall 2024 collection, we have the Damier Heritage Collection. So this is a huge mini collection. So first we have the Speedy 40. Price is 2,650 euro or 3,300 USD. The name of the collection again is the Damier Heritage Collection, launching April 25th, 2024. Next, we have the pocket organizer. Price is 390 euro. The colorway of this one, by the way, guys, they're calling it white. Launch date is April 25th. So the pocket organizer is like a compact wallet. Very good to keep multiple card slots. As you can see, it has multiple card slots inside. Another pocket organizer. Price is 390. We have SKU here. Still part of the Damier Heritage Collection. So the Damier Heritage Collection would come in two colorway. It would come in white a while ago, and then it would come in this blue colorway. Of course, I'm responding to the blue colorway. I feel this one would be a little bit more easy to carry, no color transfer, very hard wearing, just like this Polish-on size PM. Price is 2,500 euros. So the soft Polish-on PM, it would come with a detachable top handle and a detachable leather crossbody strap as well. It would come in silver hardware with oversized bag tag as well. Then we have the Trio Messenger. Price is 2,300 euro. We have SKU here. So this is a Trio Messenger. It would come with the one larger bag, and then it would come with smaller pouch with silver hardware, and it would come with key clay with same material as well. Then we have the very beautiful Speedy 25. Price is 2,300 euro. I am really responding, and I really like the colorway of blue on the Damier Heritage Collection. It would come with a navy leather trims, and I love the Louis Vuitton logo in front, contrast with the blue colorway of this bag. Then we have the Locker Dop Kit. Price is 1,100 euro. So the Dop Kit, it would come in this blue colorway as well. The main material is coated canvas in the Damier pattern, still part of the Damier Heritage Collection that would be launching on April 25th, 2024. Next, we have the KEEPALL size 50. Price is 2,850 euro. We have SKU here. Classic KEEPALL 50. It would come with the canvas material with leather trims. It would come leather detachable strap that is fully adjustable, and it would come with bag tag as well. Then next collection on the pre-fall 2024, we have the Surfing Monogram collection. Launching, this is the second drop, May 23rd, 2024. First on this collection, we have the PLAT 24H. Price is 3,050 euro. Loving this colorway, how very summery this collection feels. And then we have the KEEPALL 25. Price is 2,100 euro. We have SKU here. Still part of the Surfing Monogram collection. As you can see, the vachetta is very beautiful in this blue colorway. It would come with a detachable crossbody strap with bag tag. Next on the collection, we have the Monterey Messenger size PM. Price is 2,100 euro. We have SKU here. Material is canvas in surfing pattern with monogram. It would come with vachetta leather trim, detachable crossbody strap as well. And then we have the Rush Bum Bag. Price is 1,900 euro. We have SKU here, part of the Surfing Monogram collection. So the colorway of this one is in pink. It would come with the coated canvas with vachetta leather trims with gold hardware, as you can see here. We have Rush Bum Bag in the blue colorway. Price is 1,900 euro. We have SKU here. Surfing Monogram collection. The material is canvas in surfing pattern with monogram and vachetta leather trim. Next, we have the KEEPALL 25, still part of the Surfing Monogram collection. The material of this one is raffia. It would come with detachable strap and bag tag, launching May 23rd, 2024. Next, we have pocket organizer. Price is €390 or 485 USD. We have SKU here. Material is canvas and the colorway of this one is bright blue. What do you think of this collection, guys, so far? Please do comment down below. Are you liking anything so far? Another SLG, but this one, the colorway, I am loving as well, in navy blue. Still part of the Surfing Monogram collection. We have the pocket organizer. Price is €390 or 465 USD. As you can see, it has the surfboard, it has multiple card inserts on the inside, and it has special stamping because this is a collection. Then we have a Christopher backpack. Price is €3,000 or 3,700 USD. We have SKU here. Backpack style. As you can see, the entirety of the bag is made of monogram canvas, beautiful interior. It would come with treated or pre-treated vachetta leather trims. Then we have the Pochette Voyage. The colorway of this one is sand. Price is €975 or 1,210 USD. Next, we have KEEPALL 50. Price is €2,650 or 3,300 USD. The colorway is sand, so this is a classic KEEPALL size 50. It would come with detachable and adjustable leather shoulder strap with bag tag as well with gold hardware. And last but not the least on the collection, we have the shopper bag size MM. Price is €3,500 or 4,250 USD. Material is raffia, but as you have noticed earlier that it would come with a pouch that is made of monogram canvas. So this one would come with bag tag as well. There, did you enjoy our episode for today? If you have stayed until this part of this episode, guys, kindly leave me a bag emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you! Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting everyone to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's @Damier52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!